everyone, welcome back. Today we are gonna discuss a big travel update, the EU's new entry-exit system or EES, launching from mid-October 2025. If you are a non-EU national planning to visit Europe for tourism or business, this video breaks down what's changing, the good, the bad, and what you need to know. What is the EES? Starting October 12th, 2025 and rolling out through March 2026, the EU will replace manual passport stamping with a digital biometric system for all non-EU nationals entering and exiting the Schengen Area and associated countries, 29 countries in total. Unfortunately, starting October, only a limited number of travelers at select border crossings will go through EES registration. This rollout will gradually expand in stages. Requirements to submit biometric data like fingerprints and facial images will also be introduced in phases. This means more travelers will need to provide these details as the system moves toward full adaptation by April 2026. How it works. On your first entry, you will scan your passport and have your facial image and fingerprints collected, either at a kiosk or border desk. This data is stored for 3 years. On subsequent trips during that period, you simply verify with fingerprint or face scan. No more full data enrollment. Positives for travelers. Streamlined future crossings. Once registered, many arrivals will be faster, especially at automated gates or kiosks. No need to tally passport stamps. The system automatically enforces the 90 days within 180-day rule, reducing guesswork. Prevents accidental overstays. In the past, some travelers could spend more than 90 days in a single Schengen country and not get caught due to the inconsistent passport stamping. With EES, your exact entry-exit dates are recorded, making overstaying much harder, even if you are never leave the country. Better accuracy and security. Biometric data helps prevent identity fraud and misstamped passports, aiding both travel rights and law enforcement. Negatives and challenges. Longer border waits initially. First-time registration takes time. Expect delays during the rollout phase, especially at busy ports and airports. No opt-out. Everyone must provide biometrics or risk being denied entry. Privacy concerns. Critics warn about storing sensitive personal data, potential misuse, and limited transparency about long-term retentions. Stricter enforcement. If you were used to staying over 90 days by slipping through, with inconsistent passport stamping or country-specific extensions, that will not work anymore. EES will flag your status instantly at the border. Transitional confusion. Some travelers may still receive stamps or inconsistent handling depending on the country's readiness. Who is affected and who isn't affected? Citizens from visa-exempt countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, and those needing a short-stay Schengen visa. You will all be covered by EES. Exempt. EU, EEA, Swiss citizens, holders of residence or long-stay visas, family members of EU citizens with residence cards, children's under 12, and diplomats, crew members, certain permit holders. What comes next? In late 2026, the European Travel Information and Authorization System will launch. Visa-exempt travelers must apply online in advance with a fee around €7, linking to your passport. Think of it like ESTA in the US. Conclusion. The EES marks a major shift in how Europe handles short-stay border crossings. Faster, more secure, but also more biometric data and some initial inconvenience for travelers. If you are planning a trip post-October 2025, be prepared to scan, enroll, and adapt. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. Travel safe and see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hope to see you in the next video very soon.